We use our senses every day, but have you ever used them to make places better? This summer, we're inviting children aged 8 and above to become sense explorers of the Ousbourne Valley. Join me, Sean Peacock, and 7 Stories in Newcastle as we engage your 5 senses and come up with some exciting ideas to make the Ousbourne an even better place to be. We will be running 4 Sense Explorers workshops at 7 Stories starting this June. The workshops are all free to attend, and we'd love it if you could join us. In this 2-hour workshop, we'll be taking you on a short walk around the Ousbourne, using our 5 senses and some awesome new technology. Afterwards, we'll be getting crafty by drawing, writing and acting out all of our ideas. There'll also be a short break in between, with juice and biscuits all provided. Go to www.7stories.org.uk to book your place. Sense Explorers is produced by Newcastle University for 7 Stories, the National Centre for Children's Books.